Welcome to my channel, where innovation meets implementation. In today's video, I'm excited to showcase a groundbreaking AI-based chatbot application that will redefine how you interact with data. Imagine being able to upload a website URL or multiple PDF files and ask any question, receiving precise, context-aware answers instantly. This isn't just a chatbot. It's a leap forward in how we access and utilize information. We'll be diving deep into the technology behind this application, using Python, Streamlit, and the advanced Google Gemini to bring it to life. And that's not all. I'll be providing a complete code walkthrough, guiding you through every step of the development process. Whether you're a seasoned developer eager to build the next generation of AI applications, or a tech enthusiast curious about the future, this video has something for you. By the end, you won't just have a working chatbot. You'll have the knowledge and tools to implement AI in ways that make data more accessible and impactful. So, stick around, and if you find this content valuable, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss out on any of the cutting-edge tutorials and insights I'll be sharing. Let's dive in. This is the source code of the application. This is in Python and Streamlit. I will give you full code walkthrough. First, we'll show the application. After running the application, it will be open in the browser. We have two options on the left menu. Either we can select multiple files, or we can pass the URL of any website. I will show you first the URL option. I will copy one URL from the Wikipedia page. This is about the Earth, and it's a big page where we have many contents in the entire page. I will paste this in the box and click Submit. It will create the index based on the data and store in the memory, which we can use to ask any question, and then LLM model can give me the response based on the data, which is the Earth Wikipedia in this case. Now you can see it's ready for the chat. Let's try and ask few questions. I will put, what is in the content? Give me high bullet points. It will take some time, and then we can check the response of our question. For this prompt, chatbot will summarize the entire page from Wikipedia and provide the high-level bullet points. This application is not only chatbot, but it can do the summarization as well for any content provided. As you can see, it provides us the excellent response with bullet points of the page. Each details is coming from the page which we provided in the URL. Now let's ask another question. Earth's surface air temperature can rise to around 55 degrees Celsius, 131 degrees Fahrenheit in hot deserts, and can fall as low as? Let's see how chatbot can answer this direct question. As you can see, it give me correct answer. Now let's check if it can give me outside of the URL any answer. Where is Delhi located? This is very basic question for any LLM model. As you can see, it will give me the answer. This question cannot be answered from the given context because it does not mention anything about Delhi. This is perfect because this is not in the Wikipedia page of the Earth. Let's deep dive into code walkthrough first. After that, I will show you the PDF upload and questions and answering with uploaded files. Step 1. Setting up the environment. First, we'll begin by setting up our environment. We'll be using several key libraries. Streamlit for our user interface. PyPDF2 to read and extract text from PDF files. LangChain for managing text chunks and embedding models. Google's Generative AI for creating embeddings and interacting with the Gemini model. FAISS for our vector store, which helps with similarity searches. Doten to manage our environment variables. We start by importing the necessary libraries and setting up the Google API key. Step 2. Extracting text from PDF. Next, we'll focus on how to extract text from the PDFs. We've created two functions. One for extracting text from uploaded PDF files, and another for extracting text from a PDF file saved on your local path. Step 3. Splitting the text into chunks. Once we have the extracted text, we need to split it into manageable chunks. This helps in efficient processing and querying. We achieve this using the RecursiveCharacterTextSplitter. Step 4. Creating and saving the vector store. With the text chunks ready, we now create embeddings using Google's Gemini model and store them in a FAISS vector store. This vector store allows us to perform similarity searches on the chunks when the user asks a question. Step 5. Setting up the conversational chain. The core of our app is the question answering chain. We use a prompt template to guide the AI in providing accurate answers based on the available context. Step 6. Handling user input and generating responses. Now, let's see how we handle user queries. We use the previously created vector store to search for the most relevant chunks based on the user's question. Then, we pass these chunks through the conversational chain to get a detailed answer. Step 7. Building the Streamlit Interface. Finally, let's put it all together in our Streamlit app. The app allows users to upload PDF files or provide a URL that will be converted to a PDF. After processing, users can ask questions, and the app will display the AI's response. And that's it. You've built a fully functional AI-based PDF chat application using Streamlit and Google Gemini. This app is incredibly versatile and can be expanded in many ways, so feel free to experiment. Now I will show you another part of the code. We can also upload the PDF files and can ask any questions from the uploaded PDF files. I just downloaded one annual report of SBI Bank from their website. We'll try to upload this file from the File Upload option and then select the downloaded PDF file. After selection, we'll click on the Submit to process the file. If you can see, this is a very big file and having 364 pages of data. This is SBI Annual Report where banks share all the data for the last financial report. This report is also be used for stock market research. On the basis of the report, investment managers will evaluate the stock price and investment will be done. To work on this file in our application, we created a vector database and text will be split into smaller chunks so that questions and answers can be asked and calculation of those questions will be easier. We can try some questions with the uploaded file. Let's try first question. Give me high bullet points from the report with description. Now from this model, we'll only consider the local vector store database to give the result. It will search the question only in the vector database and will provide the answer. As you can see, the bullet points are coming and answer is coming directly from the PDF file with the details. This is excellent, and we can read this and can easily understand the 364-page PDF with these bullet points. Let's try any other question. How much dividend declared by bank in 2024? We can try this question and we'll check the response from the app. It will again check only from the local vector store and provide the response. As you can see the response. In this way, you can also enhance the application as per your need. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching.